Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows Hello Fingerprint not working issue on Windows 11. First, open Settings from the Start menu. Go to Accounts, then select Sign in Options. Under Fingerprint Recognition, or Windows Hello Fingerprint, you will see your saved fingerprint. Click on Remove to delete it. Once it is removed, click on Setup and follow the on-screen instructions to register your fingerprint again. If the issue is still not fixed, the next step is to update or reinstall the fingerprint driver. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, find and expand the section called Biometric Devices. Right-click your fingerprint sensor and choose Update Driver. Select the option to search automatically for drivers. If Windows does not find a better driver, right-click the device again and choose Uninstall Device. After uninstalling, restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the correct driver when your system boots up. Finally, press the Windows key and type Services, then press Enter. In the list of services, find Windows Biometric Service. Right-click on it and select Restart. This will refresh the service and can fix many fingerprint-related issues. Thanks for watching.